Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today I am doing a refrigerator clean with me. This is something that's been way overdue, but just want to take you guys along with me for organizing and cleaning out. So the first thing I'm doing here is taking everything out of the refrigerator, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, my plans were to clean the refrigerator and the fridge, but I end up just doing the refrigerator. So part 2 hopefully will be coming soon. I just ran out of time, but just want to let you guys know that you don't have to do everything all at once. Just take it step by step. So the first thing I would encourage you to do is just take everything out of the refrigerator just to see what you have. Once you see everything that you have laid out in front of you, go through all the dates of the food to make sure nothing's expired. So once I take everything out, I'm also going to take out the shelves that are able to come out. I'm going to clean those, and if you want to go ahead and start cleaning your refrigerator with me, I encourage you to get up and do so. You can just watch this video and clean along with me. I hope you guys can stay for the full video. Please subscribe if you like this video. I post videos weekly about organizing, cleaning, and lifestyle. If you have anything particular you want to see, definitely let me know in the comments below, or you can follow me and message me on Instagram. My Instagram name is organizewitheb. So let's go ahead and finish taking everything out.
It's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Don't know, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, gone down.
So just want to show you guys what it looks like before I start cleaning it. You really can't, it doesn't do it justice on camera, but it was pretty nasty. You can definitely tell at the bottom something spilled. So all I'm going to do is take the Everspring spray. It's an all-purpose spray. I try to always use an all-natural product whenever you clean the refrigerator. I would encourage you to do so as well, just because it is around your food. You don't want to use anything toxic or any type of strong chemical. So like I said, I just use Everspring spray. You can get it at Target. It's an all-natural product, and honestly, lately I've been using it for everything. So I'm going to go ahead and get my water started, and then we're going to clean the drawers as well, and then we'll wipe out the refrigerator afterwards. I'm just showing you all the stuff right here that I took out of the refrigerator. So the kitchen table was completely full, along with the countertop and the stove area. So I just laid everything out so it'll be easier for me to go through in just a little bit. And of course, I'm using a microfiber cloth to clean out the refrigerator. I also used a sponge once I got to the bottom to scrub that sticky residue that was on the bottom of the refrigerator. But other than that, I would just encourage you to use a microfiber cloth or any type of cloth that you choose.
Wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24-inch.
So now that everything's cleaned, I'm going to just think through my head how I want things organized. The best method of organization anywhere is whatever you use daily, make that more accessible, because if you don't make that accessible, you're going to be reaching between things and things are going to become unorganized throughout the next couple of weeks or so. So I would definitely say go from front to back and also from top to bottom, especially with organizing the refrigerator on things that you use. So on the top part of the shelves, I put like my protein shakes because I drink those twice a day. I put our water bottles, any type of liquids that we're drinking daily, like Eleni loves milk, I leave at the top. And then I also, as I go down to the bottom, I have certain drawers for certain types of food, because we pretty much buy the same type of food every week. I mean, sometimes we have new recipes, but we'll organize those as we go. But as far as overall, just make sure that you organize by section and also by what you use.
It's a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care.
So all the sauces right here, I'm just going through them, making sure nothing's expired. There were several things that were expired, so definitely go through those. And then there's really no way of organizing those besides I did put them on the door area just because they fit so much better there. So I'm just going through those and then throwing away the things that are expired.
Don't be such a stranger. Tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman. Sorry, I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. I belong
So in that top right section, I just leave different spices along with the cheese in that little section. So all we have up there is like an onion, some ginger, along with the cheese.
And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Let you down.
So as you see here, I'm just placing my yogurt on the top shelf, and that's basically what I grab every morning for breakfast. So I just make sure it's accessible to where I can just grab and go, along with the water. Eleni's milk is accessible, along with my protein shakes. So as you see, I'm trying to make sure everything, all I got to do is reach in, grab and go. And then in that first drawer that I pulled open, I'm leaving all of our meat. So all of our little packaged meat. So like our turkey breast packaged meat, along with I have the tuna on the go packets. So I put all that in that drawer, along with like some bacon and sausage as well. So all of like my deli products go in there. In the bigger drawer at the bottom, I'm making that Eleni snack drawer. I'll show you that in a minute. And at the very bottom is like more of miscellaneous things, and I'll show you that at the end as well. At the top, I did put our leftovers, because I'm not sure if I'm the only one, but our leftovers we always forget about them because they always get pushed to the back. So I made this thing that we're going to start putting our leftovers at the top, so we'll remember that we have them, instead of just throwing them out the next week when we see and forget that we had those leftovers. So right here, I'm just working on Eleni's drawer. So we just keep like all of her fruits in there, along with her, she loves pudding and jello and things like that. So anything that belongs to her, as far as her snacks go, I'm just putting in that drawer. And then I'm also going to organize my dairy. So some more of my cheese stuff. My cheese is going to all go in a container. And then also the eggs are going to go on that shelf as well.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah.
Really happy on how everything turned out. So at the top is the leftovers yogurt, then the water, and then all of our drinks, and then we have all of our deli products. So like the meat, the tuna packs, things I was telling you about, all my dairies there. and then Eleni's drawer with all of her things in there, and then at the bottom drawer is really just miscellaneous because I had nowhere to put those items. So I'm really happy on how everything turned out. I'm just showing you a side view of how everything looks on the side. So I have my water, my protein shakes, medicine, more drinks, along with all the sauces that we have as well for cooking. I want to thank you guys for staying with me for the full video. I hope I encourage you to get up and do some things today, whether it's organizing or cleaning or doing both. I know a lot of us are in the house right now, and I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe. I want to thank you guys again for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.